Good morning, welcome back. I hope you guys had a nice Easter break. Last week there was a lot happening in the world of artificial intelligence, and some of it could directly affect how we work and do business. I'm going to walk you through the 5 most important stories, explain what they mean in plain terms, and tell you why each one matters. Let's get into it. Google makes its AI free for everyone to use and build on. Story number 1. This week, Google released a new AI model called Gemma 4. It comes in 4 different sizes, from a lightweight version that runs on a smartphone all the way up to a powerful version designed for business servers. Here's what makes this significant. Google has made it completely free to use, including for commercial purposes. That means any business developer or individual can use this AI, build products with it, and keep their data private without paying Google a penny. Until recently, technology this powerful was only accessible to large companies with big budgets. That's changing fast. In plain English, think of it like Google handing out a professional-grade tool for free instead of charging a monthly subscription. Microsoft launches its own AI model for the first time. Story number 2. Also this week, Microsoft released 3 AI models it built entirely in-house. These cover speech transcription, voice generation, and image creation. This is notable because Microsoft has historically relied on OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, for its AI technology. Building its own model suggests Microsoft wants to be less dependent on outside partners and have more control over its AI future. For businesses using Microsoft tools like Azure, Teams, or Office, this is a sign that more AI features are coming, built directly into the products you already use. In plain English, that means Microsoft is going from renting AI technology to building its own. That's a significant strategic shift. A leak reveals Anthropic is building a far more powerful AI. Story number 3. Anthropic, the company behind the AI called Claude, has confidential information leaked this week. The leak confirmed they have finished training a new AI model, internally codenamed Mythos. According to the leaked documents, Anthropic described this model as by the far most powerful AI we have ever built. It's currently being tested with a small group of cybersecurity companies before any wider release. No public launch date has been announced yet, but the existence of the model is now confirmed, and the industry is watching closely. In plain English, that means that the next generation of Claude AI exists. It's more powerful than anything Anthropic has released before, and is being quietly tested right now. Meta's open source AI can now process entire libraries of information at once. Story number 4. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, released a major update to its open source AI this week. Their model, called Llama 4, Maverick, can now process the equivalent of roughly 7,500 pages of text in a single request. To put that in perspective, you could feed it every email from the past year, every internal report, and every customer conversation, and it would read and understand all of it at once. Like Google's Gemma 4, this model is free and open source. Small businesses and independent developers can run it on their own systems without any ongoing fees. To say it simple, powerful AI that can handle massive amounts of information is now free and available to anyone, not just tech giants. Governments and courts are moving fast to set rules around AI. Story number 5. Away from the technology itself, regulation is accelerating. Across the United States this week, 78 AI-related bills are now active in 27 different states. Tennessee signed a law banning AI systems from pretending to be qualified mental health professionals. A federal court ruled that the government violated free speech rights by restricting the use of certain AI tools. And several states are debating rules around AI in healthcare and insurance decisions. Governments are catching up, and the rules they write now will shape how businesses can use AI for years to come. Simply saying the legal framework around AI is being built in real time. If you use AI in your business, it's worth paying attention to what's being legislated. So to bring it all together, this week reinforced one clear theme. Powerful AI is becoming more accessible, more affordable, and more regulated, all at the same time. Whether you're a small business owner, a team leader, or someone just starting to explore what AI can do, the tools available to you today are significantly better than they were 6 months ago. And they will be better again in another 6 months. The most important thing you can do right now is stay informed, stay curious, and start exploring what AI can do for your specific situation. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back next week with the latest updates. Goodbye.